Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
All counting agents must have either full vaccination certificate or RT-PCR test of not more than 72 hours duration. This is the guideline from Election Commission of India. We have communicated this to all the candidates and their agents. Second point which I would like to highlight, which is important for all of you also, that mobile phone is not permitted at the counting center. I have issued one order under section 144 of CRPC prohibiting carrying of mobile phones inside the counting center. So this is for your information. To the extent possible, keep these mobile phones in your car or at home. Those who are carrying phone must give this phone to someone to keep. So not carrying mobile phone is important for media persons. This is for all our staff, all our counting agents, counting agents of political candidates, counting supervisors and assistants which DO has appointed. No one can carry mobile phone. Only two persons are permitted to carry mobile phone: returning officers and observers. Other than returning officers and observers, no one can carry mobile phone. This point is very, very important.